Is recording?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So let's get started, okay?
Hi, Anchal. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good and nice to meet you again.
Yeah, same here. After a long time, we are meeting again. How was your
Yeah,
day?
yeah, my day is going good. My day is going not bad and not good.
Okay. So you have some topic today for today? Yeah.
Actually, I have some interesting things to talk to. So I will ask firstly with you. If you agree, then we will continue that thing, okay?
Okay, okay. If you
Okay.
want to ask anything, you go ahead. Yeah. Ask.
Yeah. So actually, I have 10 question. So from related you anything like personally and anything. But
Okay,
if
okay.
yeah, so I'll ask 10 question. But if you want to skip, so you can skip only one two question. Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So are you ready for give?
Yeah, yeah, I'm ready. Yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead.
It will be from anything like it in your personal life, anything. No, I just
Okay, okay. Yeah.
so I hope you will ready. Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So my first question is, are you introvert or extrovert?
According to me, I am introvert. Now I'm trying to being extrovert because as an introvert now face so many problems. Sometimes you want to say no. If you want to say yeah, you are not able to express your feelings. So yeah, but sometimes it's good also introvert. But I am introvert. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, you're introvert. So what do you think? What you think about me? I'm introvert or extrovert girl? Because I'm confused.
I think you are extrovert. You connect people very easily. You are an enthusiastic and energetic. So according to me, you are extrovert.
Because I'm also confused too. I'm introvert or extrovert.
I think introvert the person who can talk with familiar person with whom he or she feel easy to talk. But extrovert a person who can talk everyone. Yeah, he or she can share her feeling very easily. So yeah, I think you are extrovert.
Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. So my second question is, it's quite personally. Can I
Yeah,
ask?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So you are married, okay? You told me
yeah.
before our conversation. So did you love marriage or arrange marriage?
It's my arranged marriage. Yeah, my father chose my husband. Yeah.
Okay, when you got married,
I got married 22 years ago.
22 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we are learning spoken English. So do you want to give some one or two tips for beginners
Yeah, yeah.
speaking?
If
Yeah.
you want to learn English, it's like you become passionate. If you are not passionate, so you can't learn anything. But like you have determination, consistency, then like if you not know anything about the English because like as a child, no child know like how to speak. But when they listen and they start to mimic with us, so they start learning. So same here. So yeah, if we have intention to learn anything, we can learn. So there is four factor like speaking, reading, listening, and writing. So we should work on all the aspects. Yeah,
Yeah,
mostly
reading,
listening and speaking. Yeah,
writing,
listening. Yeah,
yeah, reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
and speaking. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that is good.
First, I think
Okay.
we should listen and start speaking, and sometimes like written also. Yeah. Yeah.
Because but my reading part is too bad. I can speak English, but my reading part is too bad. I do lots of spelling
But
mistake.
if we pronounce some difficult words, so yeah, we should work on his reading also. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
helpful. Yeah.
I'm doing work on that topic like reading and writing both
Yeah.
as well as speaking.
Yeah. Yeah. Nowadays,
Okay,
you are
so
working on speaking. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
Go
yeah.
ahead.
Okay, so my fourth, I think fourth, right? It's a fourth
Yeah. Yeah.
question. Okay, so
Like,
my
yeah.
fourth,
Yes, fourth question. Yeah.
yeah, so my fourth question is, nowadays you are speaking English too fluent, like your teacher. So if I will ask teach
Yeah.
children,
In
so
future, if I will become fluent, I am able to speak and yeah, teach. So I will teach. Yeah. In future.
okay, so you will accept the teaching job if
Yeah.
uh Okay,
Yeah,
because
I will like to teach people like girls. Yeah, it's my like passion. Yeah, it's me.
you can
It's
teach.
helpful to me. Yeah, as a teacher, na, you are learning and teaching both. When you become teacher,
Yeah.
na, so you do both things. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So my fifth question is, what do you think about anything? What do you think about? Because we meet, it's our second time. So what do you think about me?
Okay, you are a very good person, very energetic, enthusiastic, like yeah, and very passionate to learn. So now you started your channel. That is a good thing. Like if you are not good in anything and you want to learn and you are working on that, so that is a good part. You are not hesitation. Like that is why I'm saying you are expert because without hesitation you started your channel and you are trying to learning. That is a good thing. So I feel you are very good and keep it up. Yeah, always be like that. Yeah,
Oh,
it's a good thing.
I'm like that. I first time heard that thing from you.
And I think
Okay,
you are a
okay.
hard worker also. You are a hard worker also, like yeah,
Oh,
according to me. Yeah. Yeah.
maybe. Okay, okay. So, my next question is, you are married, then you have a sons, two son, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, in your that journey, what is the best moment in your life? What is the best
Yeah.
moment?
When I got my first child, yeah, in my lap, my hand, that is the yeah best moment of my life. Yeah, I was very afraid when I got pregnant. So, yeah, what kind of my kid? Yeah, he will be healthy. Yeah. So when I got my child, I see. So that was my best moment.
Oh. And you have two sons. So, did you feel any time, any day you should go daughter also? You should.
Yeah, yeah. I feel yeah, I should have a girl because mother is always closer to girls, always being with them. Yeah. So yeah, I always feel yeah lack of girl.
Wow, that's good. And so my next question is I heard mostly time girls, women they love serials.
Okay.
So what do you think? What about you? Do you like
Yeah,
serials, movies? Yeah.
I don't like so much serials, but once like one two serial I like nowadays. I'm watching Anupama serial. Anupama is my favorite. It's a yeah
Anu-
Anupama. It comes on Star Plus. It's a story of a lady who is very devotee for her family. She worked very hard, always want to happy her family members, and her husband cheated him. Her cheated her, and yeah. So yeah, I like that serial very much.
Oh, that's why you are like that hard working. Now
And
I got
yeah,
it.
in that serial, na, her husband get affair with another girl and got married to another, and she's working. So yeah, I found that serial very good.
What is the name of that serial? I am also
Anup,
interested to watch.
Anupma,
Anupama.
Anupma. The
Okay.
lady name is Anupma in that serial. Yeah,
Okay, so I will watch one time
yeah,
definitely.
definitely. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So my next question is, okay. So from my opinion, you look very gorgeous, pretty, and I have.
you are making me blushing. I'm getting blushing. Okay.
So what is the reason of that thing? Any secret
Yeah,
reason?
I use home remedies like potatoes and yeah, rice
Oh,
flour. So I use these kind of things and I drink lots of water and I do yoga meditation. Maybe that's why. Yeah.
that's the reason of that secret
Yeah.
reason
Yeah.
of.
I think yoga meditation is very like good thing. Yeah, you should do yeah. For 15 minutes you can do regular. So that is a good thing. Doing yoga
Okay.
meditation and don't use cosmetics like outer cosmetics rather than you should use like in homemade remedies like in winter you can use like glycerin and gulab gel. It's very good thing for a moisturizer. I
Oh,
use only that thing. Yeah, gulab gel glycerin is very good. Like 3 part of gulab gel and 1 part of glycerin you mix and apply it on your hand face wherever like relax. So yeah, it keeps your body moist. Yeah.
that's good. I will also try. Thanks for that information.
Yeah, definitely go.
Okay. So I'm giving you two options. If anyone say you go for traveling and eating, so what you will choose, like eating or traveling?
I don't like so much traveling, but with friends, I like. But yeah, I like eating. Yeah, I am very foodie and I love food also very much. And I
Food.
like South Indian cuisine very much. Like so South Indian dosa, idli, are my favorite. And sometime with my kids, I love to eat burger, pizza, and Chinese dishes also, like Manchurian
Okay.
fried rice. Yeah.
So I think you are housewife. So what is your favorite dish you make mostly? You like to make mostly?
Okay, mostly in my home, like for breakfast, we mostly use sabji paratha, like and fries, like bread rolls,
Ah,
cutlets, yeah, and cutlets, bread rolls,
oh,
pakoras, different kind of pakoras. And in lunch, dal, chawal, roti, chapati, and in
oh,
evening, sabji paratha, yeah, and sometimes chilla, different kind of chilla, yeah.
you only make the all those things.
Yeah, these kind of thing like regular basis. But when my say naan dal, yeah, cakes, so I can cook these also things. Yeah, momos also I can make, and yeah, Chinese also I can make. Yeah, I can cook all the things. Yeah.
That's why I said you are an amazing woman.
Oh,
That's
thank
why
you. Nay, I learned all the cooking things, so I can cook all the things. Yeah.
you have like you can take care of your body parts, then cooking, relationship, and learning. Wow.
Yes, it's my passion to work on every aspect, like every part of our life, like yeah. I
And
feel we should balance all the things like relation and whatever we get, so we should like get accept all the things. Like I'm a homemaker, so we should work happily, not feeling burdened. Yeah, all the same day work. So we should do work very happy manner. Yeah, it
you are
should.
a homemaker, but you don't look like you are a homemaker.
Oh, thank you for your
You do
appreciation. Yeah,
everything. You do everything, so it's not serving you are homemaker. No.
thank you. Any question? Yeah, next.
Okay, my next question is like what like do you like to watch movies?
Yeah, once in a while, I like to watch movies.
So English or Hindi or in a language?
Both. I like to both movies, English, Hindi. Yeah. But I like biographic movies. Yeah, biographic movies like Mangalyaan and Mary Kom. Yeah, like Milkha Singh, this kind of like, which
Or like
gives some lessons.
motivationals.
Motivation, yeah, motivational videos. So I like watching videos on YouTube, motivational, spiritual kinds. Yeah.
Okay. And if any situation you have to give some speech front of public place, so you can give in English language.
Yeah, now I'm working. So yeah, one day I will be able to, yeah, definitely I will give in English. Yeah. But it is
Okay,
not
so
easy to speak in a public. Yeah, that is
yeah,
I'm saying. That now I'm trying to work on myself. Yeah,
okay. Actually, it's happened with me also because I like to do some presentation and speech
yeah,
debates. I like to participate, so I feel also too much hesitation, but now not. I don't feel anything.
yeah. Whenever you feel like something is barrier in your success, so you should start work on that. Yeah, you can learn anything if you want. Yeah,
And my finally and last question is I will tell in Hindi because मेरे बहुत सारे व्यूवर्स ने पर्सनली कमेंट किया था कि आपकी जिनसे कन्वर्जेशन होती है उनको देख के हमें खुद पर शर्म आती है
oh my God. Okay.
because of your English.
Oh, thank you. I want to
बहुत
say all one thanks if you are thinking कि I'm good in English, so that is a good thing for me. Yeah.
डायरेक्ट से भी हमें शर्म आती है आफ्टर वॉच योर कन्वर्जेशन
Not feel shame. You should work on yourself. Yeah. If I can speak, so they all can speak. They are learning, so it is easier for them. No,
it's
yeah.
you are more inspiration for all those beginners.
Yeah. Thank you. If you are saying like that, yeah, it make me happy and motivating me to keep learning. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. I will work more. You people feel, yeah, she is doing good. Yeah.
Okay, my question is Samapt.
But you are also good. You are doing good. Like you are living in a village and you don't have an atmosphere and you are working on your English. That is also good. You are also being motivated, like for others. Huh? You gave motivation to others. So they can learn from you also. You are a good girl. So yeah.
Yeah, because like nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
Impossible means I am a possible.
Nothing is impossible. If you want, if you have any passion, huh, you should start work on that. So you will achieve definitely. Yeah.
Uh, 21 minutes. It's enough.
Okay. It's nice to talk to you, Achal. You are a very good girl, and yeah, questions are very good, and you make me happy. You make my day. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so see you in our
Bye.
next video. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Bye.